Hello, my name is Melissa J., part of the auction support team here at Alderfer Auction. We are going to be talking about Victorian fan flirtation in collaboration with our collector's auction that is coming up on October 12th at 10 a.m. Part of the collector's auction has a beautiful selection of antique fans, cabriolet fans, Chinese and Japanese, Victorian, even fans from world expositions throughout the years. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about the fan as a tool and accessory. In the 16 to late 1800s, no fashionable lady would be seen without a fan as part of her dress. They were used as both an accessory and a social tool. The language of a Victorian fan definitely led to intrigue, scandal, and love. So we're going to talk a little bit about some of the signs that you can have when you have a fan. So of course, when you buy your fan at the collector's auction, you'll be able to relay your feelings to your significant other. All right, so we have fans here of all different types of mediums. We have fans that are bone, silk, and painted. Very beautiful fans. All Victorian ladies would have them. So one of the signs is drawing your fan across the cheek, which means I love you. And then fanning very fast would mean I'm married. And then the handle to the lips would mean kiss me. And then drawing your fan across your eyes would mean I'm sorry. There's about over 15 signs for the Victorian fan flirtation. We will list them in our post so that you can practice once you have bid on your fabulous fan in our collector's auction.
1.
You can bid on these fans at alderferauction.com on October 12th at 10 a.m. Happy bidding.